Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Uber on your Android phone. So you want to go ahead and find the Play Store and open that. Once you open the Play Store, on the low part of your screen, tap on the search option, use the search at the top and simply type in Uber. Once you type that in, you can easily find the Uber app, and here you can see that it shows the Uber request a ride. If you simply tap on the install button, and this is how you will be able to install Uber on your phone. So as you can see, it is currently pending. It shows the size of the application. The installation is generally very fast, and as you can see, in a moment it's going to quickly install the application for me, and I'll be able to open and use the Uber app. As you can see, it's done. Just going to tap on open right there. You will need to sign in. Once you in the Uber app, go ahead and also allow your location services there, so that it's allowing your access to your location. And you will see it's going to ask you to choose a phone number. I'm going to go ahead and choose a phone number right here, and within a second or so you will see that it's going to give me an option to sign in. Here I'm going to go ahead and choose to continue with my phone number. You can also use your Gmail. It's going to give you a verification code. As you can see, it's going to automatically add that in. You can also go ahead and enter your email address from here, and once you enter your email address, click on next, or you can continue with your Google. Select the Google account from here, and once you do so, you'll be inside the Uber application. And as you can see right here, I'm in. I'm going to just click I understand. You can also click on skip, and that's it.